Hi! In this video, we will quickly compare TrafficGuard versus ClickCease. Competitors and bots can click on your ads and waste your advertising budget. ClickCease Google Ads click fraud protection software will exclude invalid IP and block fake clicks. This will boost your campaigns and allow you to acquire more customers. TrafficGuard is a cloud-based digital ad fraud protection solution which assists digital advertisers, agencies, and advertisement networks with fraud prevention and mitigation. Key features include campaign analysis, traffic filtering, monitoring, trend analysis, machine learning, and reporting. Advertise and grow confidently. TrafficGuard's real-time fraud prevention keeps your traffic clean, increases reach, and drives return on ad spend. TrafficGuard's PPC protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.